Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will dive into an exciting coding problem. Find the smallest index when a row or column is fully painted in a matrix. I will take you through the code step by step and explain how it works. Let's get it started. So, here is the problem. We have an array and a matrix. Both contains all integers from 1 to m into n. Starting from the first index of array, we paint the cell in matrix containing the value array of I. We need to return the smallest index I where either a full row or column is completely painted. Got it? Great. Now let's see how we need to solve it. So here is our method. First complete index and taking two input array and a matrix. So first we need to create an array um, of size array of length plus 1. So I will name it as map. So this array will store the index of each value in array. Here is why. Instead of searching mm, for a value in array repeatedly, we can directly get its index from map in because of one time. So let's do that. For int I equal to 0, I less than array of length, then increment I map array of I equal to I. Now we have to come out of the loop. Then we need to initialize one variable answer to store the smallest index where a row or column is fully painted. So we will set it to the smallest value integer dot max value. Then so any smaller value will replace it later. Now we need to process rows of the matrix. So we will use one loop here. Our matrix length and same increment. Then we will initialize one variable max uh, and we will value it as 0. So here we iterate through each array in the matrix. For each row we need to find the maximum index in array where its elements appear. For that I will use another loop mat of I dot length and increment j. Then we have to update max. We will use the math method map, sorry, out of I j as it is a 2D array. Then we will update answer. Same math method. We will take the minimum from that. So here, because the row is fully painted, only after the last element in that row is painted, we update the ants with the smallest maximum index across all rows. Same like we have to process columns for the matrix. So same I have to write one loop. Out of 0 dot length. Then simply increment I. Then again I have to initialize one variable for maximum. Then again another loop for second index. Int j equal to 0, j less than, sorry, mat dot length, then increment j. Same like before, we have to update max, mat dot max, either max or map of mat ij. Then same like before, we have to update answer. Mat dot min and max. So here we process each column in the matrix. The logic is same like I mentioned before. Find the maximum index in array for all elements in a column. Then update the ants with the smallest maximum index across all columns. Now we have to return the result. Simply return ants. So here after processing all rows and columns, ants will hold the smallest index where either a row or column is fully painted. Just run it. What's the issue? Okay, here we have to give it as J and I. Now run it. Yeah, it's running. Submit now. And that's how we solve this problem. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in comments if you want to cover any specific coding problems. See you in next one. Happy coding.